All right, guys, we're going to dive into the Lowe's Black Friday Doorbusters. You can see some of the deals we have going on right here. We want to start off with these refrigerators. You can see these up here, the top fridge. Get to save $900. So if you need a fridge, great thing to check out right there. Also, we got the 4 burners and electric range right here. Get to save $200. I've seen a lot of these little bluey Christmas inflatables here. $60. Great pickup for that one. Another great tool deal. We have the Kobalt 2-tool brushless power tool here for $100. Great setup right there. Really, the brushless is an awesome option. More GE ranges right there. Also, we have the Blackstone griddle, the $299. It's a great price right there. $150 off. I have one very similar. I love it. Great option. Grab some Christmas lights here for $4. Great thing to pick up there. Also have more fridges, and also we have the Whirlpool dryer and washer here. Again, great deals for these. I love the Lowe like stuff that not as much digital stuff on it. That's a great thing. You can easily fix those a little bit more. Another one right here for LG turbo wash right there. Still save $500, which is crazy. Ego blower. Great thing to pick up. I'm going to review the lawnmower here soon. We got the Ego blower down $70. Great pickup for that. Got the little Grinch tree here down $40. Solid pickup. Here's one of the most popular items, the little Kobalt portable toolbox. These things are great. This is the three rack right here, down to $24. You get to save $7 on that one. We also have fiberglass ladder. Another great pickup, $25 right there. Get to save $54. Man, that's a great deal. I might have to snag that. We also have the 24-volt wrench right here, impact wrench, $100. Comes with a bag. Also the charger and the battery. Another GE dishwasher here, $400. Great pickup right there for that one. We also have the Kobalt Workbench. I really like this because it has the worktop and also all the storage. Down $300. Get to have multiple colors, so whatever color you want, you can check that out. The totes here are down to $7. We saw this at Home Depot as well. Great pickup right there. And then we also have the utility shelves. A lot of stuff happening with the trying to get in storage and get everything cleaned up. $80 for some short storage for garage or your shop. I also have the trimmer combo here. I like the trimmer and the blower, so a great gift or great just pick up yourself. $120. Get to save $50. We saw this right here as well earlier, and I'll show you the other one. There's another one that actually is the 2-drawer, and I'll show you that in a minute. A couple more items. We got the DEWALT little blades right here, down $20. Great pickup for those. I'm gonna again hit these deals. You can see right here. I did want to show you guys this, that you get 15% off when you buy 2, 20% off when you buy 3, and then also 25% off if you buy 4 or more select appliances. So again, if you're gonna be buying some appliances, go ahead and get you all those deals you can right there. Get more lights right there, so another good deal for that one. And also some batteries right here for $5, so great finds. Got some fans with a little remote, cool thing. We saw these spider blades on sale earlier, but $5 is a really good deal. Ring doorbell, that's one of the best deals right now. I get to save $50 on this. Saw the same price at Home Depot, but again, a great doorbuster deal. And then also this little smart touchpad as well. You get to save some on that one. We see Craftsman Versus Stack. I mean, this is a really good deal on a storage option. If you need a storage and you don't really care about the brand, or if you like Craftsman, $90. This is a great one for that. Also have some more deals right here for fridges and different things, and even some flooring. If you need to grab some flooring, get to save 30% on this one. And also some bags. If you need to bag your leaves and other stuff like that, you can grab some of these at Lowe's right now. Get to save 48 cents. Not a ton, but get a little deal while you're there. Another great deal are some batteries. Always grab batteries right now because you can save a ton. So $100 is a really good deal on that one. Another fridge. We showed you this earlier, all these fridges that are on sale. So if you need some of those, check them out. We have the Blink little cameras. You can set these up. You get to save $180. So again, a great deal right there. Another light bulb here. So again, another great price. Kind of depends on which option, depending on the price and the size. More ranges and more ranges, and also a dryer here. Check those out. And even like a basic fridge right there for $400. Man, that's a great price. More options here. We got the pedestal storage drawer. So if you need one of those for washer and dryer. Also have the holiday like garland. Another blade here for DEWALT, and then also a large fridge right there. Hisense. More options on these. I'll just kind of breeze by those, but we have the Greenworks 1200 psi auto detailing pressure washer. Get saved $70, so a good deal on that. We got a few more on here, and then we also have a little tape here, $15. I think that was in store, but still a good deal. More lights right there. So again, if you need some lights, I like this little fireplace right there. You get save $50 on that one. More options for some washer and dryers. A little wet dry vac. That's really cool. From shop vac down to $59. I do think that one was in store, but still great little doorbuster there. More deals on some appliances here. We have the Kobalt handheld leaf blower. Great price. Get save $80 to that, down to $99. More deals on some of these appliances right here. Have the microwave. If you need one of those, you can check it out. More options right here on some more appliances. Check this one out. And then I do like, again, we saw this right here earlier, but the Kobalt workbench and storage. This might be a little bit different than the earlier one, but still good deal. You get saved $200. Again, another one with the colors, different colors there. Right here, same thing, different colors. More all kind of appliances, so great thing to check out. More appliances, different things. Metabo has their Brad nailer down $100 right there. Another great pickup. Amazon Fire Stick, $35. Check that one out. More appliances and ranges and everything. Also some drill bits. You can get some drill bits here down to $24. And then here's the two drawer one. So I'll show you guys that. So again, $15. Great little price. And also ice maker. I love these things. The nugget ice right there. $150 for that as well. And I'll have links for a lot of these items down below. So if you guys are interested, you can check some of the links down below. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. Then we also have some more of these Kobalt items. We see all the different colors and different sizes right there. So again, a bunch of those. I really like the camo one. I might have to snag that. That's really cool. And even the little pink camo. Again, all the different colors you see. Sawzall blades, $20. Great price for that one right there. Little range for that, little hood range. Ring chime doorbells for the cameras, so $25. We also have the right here Wi-Fi keypad. Check that one out. We have the tree stand. So you need a little tree stand. Check that. Also have the lights, little multi lights and tape right there. Wine cooler here. More of these Kobalts. You can see those. Little plant saucer here. $3. That's cool. And more batteries, all kind of batteries. So it's a great time to grab some of these batteries as well. So more lights. Go ahead and stock up on light bulbs. We probably need to do that ourselves. Another Ring camera here. So check that one. And then overall, great deals right now for the Black Friday Doorbuster deals. Like I said, you can run in and check them out yourself, or you can just check out the links I have down below. And if this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.